Featherston. Outside of him, the number 3 of Kevin Memoli. Inside in the back, the 68 of Rich Schinderling. Here we go. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing. Sportsman Heat 1 into the lead. It's going to be the 29.
T-Rob. Early lead. Got to watch out for that Gremlin and Josh Lundy. Memoli on that outside. Featherston in that 78. As Rich Schinderling bringing it up, but working that outside real hard.
Memoli taking over second from Lundy as he sets his sights on the 29 car of Terrence Robinson. Schinderling moving up into that 4th spot. As we're coming around, going around for lap 3 of this 8-lap heat race. It's going to be Terrence Robinson, Kevin Memoli, Josh Lundy, Rich Schinderling, and John Featherston rounding out the race.
Schinderling in that 68, working his way on Lundy in the 11, creeping his way slowly as the turns come around, but will he have enough to catch him? As T-Rob in that 29, him and Memoli are rolling, starting to pull away from the pack.
Eric, I just noticed Josh Lundy just a little bit off the pace. I just have to wonder if he noticed for the first time that pool out there as he slowed down a little bit, maybe thinking it would be a good time to go for a swim in the pool. But we've got a battle for the lead as Kevin Memoli is looking at Terrence Robinson for the lead. Whoa, Rich Schinderling comes around.
He was having trouble in those turns, getting a little squirrely. He was trying to hold it as long as he could.
Is a mailman, so you might be lucky and have T-Rob delivering your mail. You just never know. You can ask him about that tonight after the races in the pits as we get ready to pick it back up. And we're racing! With 2 to go, it's Robinson, Memoli, Lundy, Featherston, and Schinderling. White flags out, 1 to go for Robinson.
Will he be the mailman delivering here in the heat?
Memoli starts to look on the inside of Robinson. We could have a race coming into 3 and 4. Memoli looking to the inside, maybe. No, it's going to be Robinson, Memoli, Lundy, Featherston, and Schinderling.
Terrence Robinson, that is his 3rd heat win. He's currently 5th in the points among the bargain hunter sportsmen.
Who's been out there to that Pepsi booth to try Pepsi Zero? Anybody tried any of that yet? How is it? Once again, following our heat races here at the Rockford Speedway, we will be having our